Assalamu alaikum YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is your Pakistani Savior, and today I have actually a very special video that I am most personally excited for, because in this box right here that I have is my most recent sneaker pickup, and this is a shoe that I absolutely really want. I've been waiting almost more than a year now to grab because of just how expensive and how hard it is to find that shoe. But I'm really excited to open this box for you guys. But before I get into this box right here, please make sure to hit the like button for me as well as subscribe button for me. I really appreciate you guys did that. And with all that being said though, let's get right into the video. So like I stated before with you guys, this pickup that I have in this box is something I've been waiting to get for a very long time, and I finally was able to get it. It's about time because this is one of my biggest grails I think for a while now. And thankfully I finally got them. As you guys can see by the box, I did purchase these on eBay now that they have the new authenticity guarantee program. So no fakes here obviously, and I'm just really excited. So I got my scissors right here. We're about to open this box and show you guys what is in this. So opening the box up, as you guys can see, and I'm really excited here, we had a Nike SB box right here. And I'm also just curious to show you guys, this is my first time ordering through eBay, and they have the authenticity guarantee label and stickers in there as well, just to show you guys that's where it came from. So there's that. But getting to the main thing, like I said, for a Nike SB box, and you guys might already know or be able to make some estimates and judges as to what the shoe might be, and I just can't wait to show you guys. So I'm about to open it up. I'm really excited here now. Open the shoe up, and bam, here we have it, the Nike SB Dunk Low Travis Scott. And this is a shoe, like I stated before, I've wanted for a long time now. As you guys don't know, or if you guys don't know, I'm a huge Travis Scott fan, and I like his music a lot, and I've been just trying to get most of his sneakers that I like to my collection. And obviously this is probably the most hardest pair to get out of all of them that is not a PE of his or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this shoe in hand, and just in person it looks great. It looks amazing, you know, can't go wrong with it. Quality is really nice, and just the design and the print of this sneaker alone is great. As you guys can see right here, we have the little eBay authenticity tag right there. And I'm gonna get the other shoe out to just inspect that one. But yeah, here we go. Here is the other shoe. It had the other laces wrapped around it. But yeah, here's the other shoe for you guys right here. I did get these on eBay. I got like a pre-owned pair, and the guy had the pink laces previously on them. They originally do come with like these big like rope laces right here, but I do like the pink lace on these a lot. It stands out. And on the medial side of the shoe, we had a pink Nike swoosh here as well. So yeah, as you guys can see on the tongue here, we got the Cactus Jack branding right there. And obviously the bandana print on the sneaker does peel off to show like this print right there. But I like the way it looks just by itself right here. And yeah, I'm just glad to have this sneaker right here. Just a major shoe just to own the collection, and obviously being a big Travis Scott fan that I am here, definitely something I really wanted for a long time now. So I'm just really glad to have these, and just have one of my grails in my hand. This is a little quick video for you guys today on my most recent sneaker pickup coming from eBay. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe right here. Do you guys like this shoe? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please make sure to follow me on all my social media: Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, @Hasib_Meon. All that is going to be in the description below. And once again, guys, I appreciate you watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Where did the love go? It seems like the world filled with hatred. God forbid that you make it and your bank account ain't basic. Your girl above average, you a person with some status. You switch to